purpose of this speech is to inform my audience how detrimental dams are to rivers and the lasting effects they leave on the ecosystems. The Tennessee Valley Authority has 30 dams in Tennessee alone. While these 30 dams produce a multitude of jobs and electricity for Tennessee, the dams are impacting the local fish populations, including different species of trout. While dams have been around for thousands of years, it is time to decide which ones are still necessary. Dams are electricity and jobs producers, but maybe it is time to tear down old dams that are not crucial. As a fisherman, I have seen the effects of dams on Kentucky Lake and the Appalachian rivers in East Tennessee. Today I will inform you about dams and their effect on the river itself and the fish populations. First, let's get ourselves familiarized to what dams are and their purposes. A dam is a man-made barrier placed on a river. When the dam is placed on a river, one side of the river will increase its height and the other side will decrease. There are two main functions of dams. In dams, what are they and what they do? Dams' purposes are to store water to compensate for changes in river flow or in demand for water and energy. They are also used to raise the water level of water upstream to enable water to be diverted into a canal or to increase hydraulic head. Hydraulic head is the difference in height between the surface of a reservoir and the river downstream. Dams also create hydraulic power. Once you know what a dam is and its functions, it is important that you know how they affect fish populations. Dams affect fish in more than one way, in ways that you wouldn't even think about. According to WiseGeek, the most obvious impact that a dam has on a fish is that it obstructs migration. Fish like salmon, they spawn in rivers, then they go to the sea. Dams can stop this age-old migration, and then some dams have fish ladders for the fish to swim up, but most fish will die in these ladders. WiseGeek also says dams decrease the rate of migration for fish, exposing sensitive fish like trout and salmon to predators that may lurk in slower navigating rivers. Navigating multiple dam ladders and avoiding predators also affects salmon by internally and biologically changing the fish from a freshwater fish to a saltwater fish. Not only can dams stop migrations, but they can change fish internally. Now that you are aware of what dams are capable of doing to fish, let's see how they affect the river. Rivers play an influential role on all living things on Earth, including humans. Rivers naturally carry sediment, which are deposited throughout the land and are good for farmers, but dams stop this process. International rivers say dams also trap sediments which are critical for maintaining physical processes and habitats downstream of the dam. These habitats include the maintenance of productive debris, barrier islands, fertile floodplains, and coastal wetlands. The sediment that once helped sustain plant and fish life now collects at the bottom of the dam, which kills plants and forces fish to live elsewhere. When a dam is first placed on a river, the surrounding area will flood and be destroyed. Towns can get destroyed, it will kill all the native wildlife, and it can take down forests that have been around for thousands of years. If you've seen Oh Brother, Where Art Thou, you'll know how destructive dams are at the end whenever they dam the river and the whole town gets destroyed. Today you learned what a dam is and how they affect rivers and fish populations. Conclusively, dams are fascinating man-made inventions, but it is time to rethink dams. If you have any free time, I encourage you to watch Damnation. It is a movie on Netflix made by Patagonia. It is about dams and how they are affecting wildlife and fish, and there's a bunch of drastic people that go out and destroy these dams. According to American Rivers, there are approximately 75,000 dams in the United States Army Corps of Engineers National Inventory of Dams, which is the most comprehensive inventory of dams nationwide. Are all 75,000 dams crucial to America today?